2025 Audi R8. This car has always been a symbol of precision, engineering, and everyday usability wrapped in supercar performance. And the new model continues that legacy with some exciting updates. The first thing that grabs your attention is, of course, the exterior. Audi has refined the R8's design without losing its aggressive stance. The low, wide body looks planted to the ground, and the sharp lines along the hood and side blades make it instantly recognizable. The front fascia has been updated with a wider grille, sleeker LED headlights, and more aerodynamic intakes that not only improve airflow, but also give the car a meaner, sportier look. Around back, the large diffuser and dual exhausts add to the race-inspired styling, and the optional carbon fiber accents take the design to a whole new level. It's the perfect blend of elegance and aggression. Stepping inside, the R8 continues to impress. The cabin is all about the driver, with a minimalist yet high-tech approach. You get Audi's virtual cockpit with a fully digital 12.3-inch display that puts performance data, navigation, and infotainment right in front of you. The seats are sculpted sports seats that balance comfort with incredible support during spirited driving. Premium materials like Nappa leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber trim surround you, giving the interior a luxurious yet performance-driven vibe. Despite being a supercar, it's surprisingly usable with good visibility and a clean layout that doesn't overwhelm you with unnecessary buttons. Now let's talk performance, which is where the R8 truly shines. Under the hood, you still get the naturally aspirated 5.2-liter V10 engine, one of the last of its kind in the supercar world. In the Performance Quattro version, it pushes out around 620 horsepower, sending power to all four wheels through a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. This means a 0 to 60 time in just about 3.1 seconds, with a top speed north of 200 miles per hour. The sound of that V10 alone is enough to make your heart race. It's raw, emotional, and pure. Audi has also fine-tuned the suspension and steering for sharper handling, making it both track-capable and comfortable enough for daily use. Finally, when it comes to price, the 2025 Audi R8 starts around $160,000 for the base, rear-wheel drive model, while the top-spec Performance Quattro can push closer to $220,000 depending on options. For what you're getting, an everyday supercar with timeless design, thrilling performance, and Audi's legendary build quality, it's hard to beat. So that's the 2025 Audi R8, a car that blends emotion, performance, cars of 2026. The Ferrari 812 GTS. This car is not just about speed and power, it's a perfect blend of heritage, design, and cutting-edge performance that defines Ferrari's DNA. The 812 GTS is the open-top version of Ferrari's flagship Grand Tourer, and it proudly carries the crown as one of the last naturally aspirated V12 convertibles on the market. Its design is pure Ferrari, long, sculpted lines with aggressive aerodynamics that don't just look stunning, but are engineered to enhance performance at high speeds. The retractable hardtop roof folds neatly in just 14 seconds, and it can even be operated while driving at low speeds, giving you that raw V12 symphony under the open sky. The wide stance, large air intakes, sharp creases, and signature quad taillights at the rear make it instantly recognizable as a modern Ferrari masterpiece. Step inside, and the interior is a perfect balance of luxury and sportiness. The cockpit is driver-focused with Ferrari's signature steering wheel-mounted controls, carbon fiber accents, and premium leather throughout. The digital instrument cluster is crisp and intuitive, while the passenger gets their own display to keep track of speed, performance data, and entertainment. The seats are sculpted for both comfort and support, making the 812 GTS as practical for long-distance drives as it is for spirited performance runs. Under the hood lies the heart of the beast, a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine that produces around 819 horsepower and revs to an astonishing 9,500 RPM. The car rockets from 0 to 60 mph in under 3 seconds and has a top speed exceeding 111 km/h, making it one of the fastest convertibles in the world. Ferrari's 7-speed, dual-clutch transmission delivers lightning-quick shifts, while the advanced rear-wheel steering and electronic differential ensure razor-sharp handling. Despite its power, the 812 GTS maintains remarkable stability and balance, giving drivers confidence whether on the track or cruising down a coastal road. Of course, a car like this comes with an exclusive price tag. The 2026 Ferrari 812 GTS starts at around $450,000, but with customization through Ferrari's tailor-made program, it can easily cross $500,000. For enthusiasts and collectors, though it's not just a car, it's an experience and a piece of automotive history, representing the pinnacle of Ferrari's front-end. 26. The Porsche 911 GT3 RS. This car represents the ultimate expression of Porsche's motorsport DNA brought to the street, and it's designed for enthusiasts who want nothing less than razor-sharp precision. The exterior of the 2026 GT3 RS immediately commands attention. Porsche has refined the aerodynamics even further with aggressive sculpting. A massive swan neck rear wing, active aero elements, and large front air intakes that are not just for show, but functional for downforce and cooling. Lightweight materials like carbon fiber are used extensively on the hood, roof, and body panels, keeping the weight as low as possible. The stance is wide, low, and unmistakably track-focused, making it look like a race car the moment you see it. Step inside and the interior is all about business. Porsche has stripped away anything unnecessary, replacing it with lightweight racing seats, Alcantara surfaces, and exposed carbon trim. The steering wheel is simple yet packed with function, featuring rotary dials for drive modes and suspension adjustments. Even the door handles are fabric straps, all to save weight. Yet despite the focus on minimalism, Porsche has managed to keep enough comfort and technology for everyday use. With a digital driver's display, infotainment system, and the quality materials that you'd expect from the brand, performance is where the 911 GT3 RS truly earns its reputation. Power comes from a naturally aspirated 3.0-liter flat-six engine that screams to over 9,000 RPM, producing well over 520 horsepower. Mated to a lightning-fast dual-clutch transmission, the car delivers blistering acceleration with 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 3 seconds. But the real magic lies in its handling. The suspension, aerodynamics, and lightweight construction all work together to create incredible grip and stability, making it a track monster while still being road legal. Every detail has been engineered to maximize lap times, without sacrificing the iconic Porsche driving feel. Of course, this level of engineering comes at a price. The 2026 Porsche 911 GT3 RS starts at around $230,000, but with options and personalization through Porsche's exclusive programs, the final cost can climb significantly higher. For those who can afford it, though, it's not just a car, it's a purebred racing machine that you can drive every day. If you enjoyed this in-depth review of the 2026 Porsche 911